Alright, Apple enthusiasts, get ready because this year's iPhone 17 lineup seems to be really interesting. As is customary, the major unveiling is anticipated to take place in September. However, here's the exciting twist. According to reports, Apple may be releasing a brand new model dubbed the iPhone 17 Air, which might replace the Plus version, much as the Plus just replaced the Small. With its models, Apple is only playing musical chairs. We're likely looking at the typical suspects if it works out. The new iPhone 17 Air is positioned somewhere in the center of the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max models. Now let's discuss what makes it unique. One of the main rumors is that it may be much slimmer than the iPhone 6, just 5.5mm thick. That would make it the thinnest iPhone ever made by Apple. While a thinner body may entail compromising some internal components or battery life, the main objective here is likely to make it seem lighter and sleeker in your hand. Nonetheless, if Apple succeeds, it will feel and look unlike anything else in the lineup. Here's where things start to change a little bit. The iPhone 17 Air may adopt a simple design with a single 48MP rear camera in place of the customary camera parade on the back. According to rumors, it may be contained in a sleek horizontal bar, which, to be honest, sounds sort of cool. No big camera bump, just smooth lines. Yes, you may not have access to all the zoom or ultra-wide options, but for the majority of people, just one strong lens may be all they need. The screen size is between 6.6 and 6.7 inches, which is larger than the basic model but not quite Pro Max territory. The Air's very thin design allows you to have that large display without the bulk. Thus, this may be the phone you've been looking for if you've ever desired a larger screen and a more portable device. The inside is also trembling. It's anticipated that Apple would replace Qualcomm with its own 5G modem in the 17 Air. Early rumors indicate that it would reach download rates of up to 4 GB per second, perhaps without unwave support. This would be the second time they have done this since the iPhone 16. Nonetheless, it's a significant step in the direction of Apple controlling more of its hardware. In terms of performance, the 17 Air is said to have the normal A19 processor rather than the Pro model, but it should still be very powerful for daily tasks like gaming, browsing, and taking photos. If Apple wants to keep the price of the Air in a more affordable range, this is a wise approach. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.